Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make an easy herb vinaigrette. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for watching today. I appreciate you joining us from whatever platform you watch us on. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Like I said, we're going to be making a easy herb vinaigrette, so let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We are going to start out with 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of minced parsley, 4 teaspoons of minced shallots, 1 tablespoon of herbs de Provence, 2 teaspoons of mayonnaise, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, half a cup of olive oil, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Let's mix it up. Alright, now the recipe for this is in the description box. Go ahead and look for that. We're going to go ahead and start mixing this up. So you want to do everything but your olive oil. Leave the olive oil out for last. Start with your red wine vinegar. Add your aromatics. A little bit of salt and pepper in there. Just want to stir that up. Then we're going to take our Dijon mustard and your mayonnaise. Just want to mix this all up. And then the olive oil, you just slowly drizzle this in. There is that vinaigrette right there for you. I'm going to put it into a storage container here. A little jar here. I save jars for everything that I've used. This is an old olive or a red pepper jar that I had. I'm going to go ahead and just pour this in using a funnel. Now you've got these herbs de Provence that are in this, and it is important if you're going to use herbs de Provence that you use fresh herbs for each element of the herbs that are in the herbs de Provence, but that takes a lot of time and a lot of money. I've got a brand on my website here. I sell my own brand of herbs de Provence that I will make for you. I'll leave the link right here and you can go check that out. But this adds an element of flavor into it. Now you can see this recipe makes a little less than 3/4 of a cup. Get everything in there. So maybe this jar was a little bit big, but it's got room and you can shake it up. So you see everything in there, all the different herbs, parsley, and that's ready to go. I'll actually pour it into a little cup here so we can see what it looks like, but it smells fantastic. So there is the nice herb vinaigrette. Alright, well there you go. I hope you enjoyed this recipe for this very easy herb vinaigrette. Like I said, it's very easy to make, and that recipe is in the description box, and also the link for the herbs de Provence is in the link in the description down below too. So thanks a lot for watching. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen.